keep it as condition. Second, less important, we will keep it as warranty. And we will come to the last aspect. The last aspect is wherever that particular clause favors only one party or especially that party who has drafted that contract, we will term them as unfair terms. And those unfair terms we will exclude and treat as if they are not part of the contract at all. Although you have written something, this is what had happened. Say, for example, you go for the purpose of, giving your worthy or an expensive, what you call the blazer for dry cleaning. At that time, he had given you an acknowledgement in receipt of that. He says, sir, here is your receipt. It acts as two things. One is an acknowledgement that he has received an article from you for the purpose of dry cleaning. That is number one. Number two, it also, what court does, court says, okay, it's a standard form of a contract. When it is a standard form of a contract, what I actually do is, I actually try to, see all the terms and try to classify. First, I will pick those clauses which are considered to be heavily leaning in favor of that party who has drafted the contract. Right? And all such, heavily leaning or loaded, what you can say, clauses are termed as unfair terms. And those unfair terms are eliminated from the contract while reading by the court. And court would say, absolutely nothing doing. Although that clause is there, I would treat as if that clause does not exist. And accordingly, the relief would be given. That is what I wanted to say as far as, things are concerned. But and notice on printed terms, there are two broad principles. One is a person who signs the document contains contractual terms is normally bound by them. This is what the courts have developed. A person who signs a document containing a contractual term is normally bound by them. And if the document is not signed, being merely delivered to the ordinary party, then the question arises whether,